always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again.
Mr. Goose! Mr. Goose! Fox has a game she wants to play with all of us.
Well, let's see what it is.
I made up a game called Show Me. But first, we'll need a number. Hedgehog, spin the wheel. Oh, goody! That's it, Hedgehog. That's the special number. Yay! Mr. Goose, what number is that?
That's the number 5.
Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 5 on it. Oh, there it is! You did it! Now let's flip the card over and count how many stars there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many in all?
5. Hedgehog, you win! Yay! What do I win? You win tickles! Here I come! Kitty kitty coo!
Today's number is 5. Let's explore the island and count together.
Let's count wiggle bugs together. 5. There are 5 wiggle bugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many wiggle bugs in all? 5. That's right. Let's take their pictures. Say cheese! Thank you for helping me take that picture. Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count to do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 5. Come on and to do everything 5 times. Clap 5 times. Nod 5 times. Point 5 times. March 5 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
Let's count together.
5.
There are 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5. How many apples in all?
5.
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called I Want To. This story is about all the things a baby wants to do. Let's see what they are. Let's begin. I Want To, written by Sam Wilson, illustrated by Marianne Hampton, designed by Pippa Saritslev. I want to crawl. I want to climb. I want to eat. I want to drink. I want to sing. I want to play. I want to draw. I want to splash. I want to go to Mama. I want to read. I want to hug. I want to sleep. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
Let's sing a counting song about potatoes.
Potatoes?
Yes, potatoes. It goes like this. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. Are you ready to count potatoes with me?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Here we go. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. Again. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more.
Ooh, that was fun!
That was wonderful. Thank you for singing with me.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Let's look for stars. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you! Whee! Oh, hi! Let's play together and monkey around. Whoa! Goodbye, friend. I'm glad we got to play together today. Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them. Bo Peep has lost her sheep and doesn't know where to find them. Leave them alone and they'll come home, bringing their tails behind them.